morning, guys. So we're on our way to the Olympic National Park today to go see the Tree of Life, but we'll show you that when we get there. And just in fact, he's putting gas in the car. But yeah, we'll see you when we get there. We just came from that way, and this is the beach, and now we're looking for the Tree of Life. Justin's excited over finding huge rocks that he's gonna bring home.
Look at that! That thing is huge!
Yes, it is. Actually, it really is. Watch. Compared to my boots. We made it to the Tree of Life, and we're waiting for people to move so we can take some pictures. Right over there. And now we're gonna go to the Rainforest. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my boyfriend.
Stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on two separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on two separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this
Bye.
video.